up with me on TEMU. So first thing that we need to do here is we need to change a few things here as well as update our TEMU mobile application. Now in this case, go ahead and exit TEMU here, and from here press and hold on TEMU, and from here you want to go to app info. Now under app info, what we need to do is just click on the clear data option there, and from here click on clear cache and click on OK. So what we did there is we basically cleared our temporary data or temporary files under TEMU. Now in this case, this will not affect your account in what way, but in this case, sometimes clearing your cache here could actually help or solve some problems you're experiencing on the application itself. Now once you've done that, you need to go to Google Play Store, open it up, type in TEMU here. So just type in TEMU, and from here you want to make sure that you have the latest update for TEMU. As of right now, as you can see, we have an update button there. Just click on update here and just wait for it to update and open up TEMU again and see if that solves your issue. How to use TEMU credit balance. So first things first is we need to go to temu.com, log in into your account, and from here we first need to start adding our items. So there are going to be a lot of items that we could add here. So in this case, go ahead and browse them by categories or even add them as you want. Now in this case, so once you've added all the items that you want here, like for example, you want to add a specific item here, you can go ahead and click on the add to cart button here, and you need to choose the design itself. Let's go and choose one and click on add. Now once you've done that, we should be able to see the checkout or go to cart at the top right of your screen. Let's go ahead and click on the go to cart option. Now from here, you can go ahead and select all the items that you want to check out. Let's go ahead and select them and click on check out. Now from here, it should give you the specific details for your order. So you might also need to provide your shipping details as well and some contact information before you could proceed with the next page. Now also in this page, you could add like coupons if you want. So in this case, you could go and leverage any coupons that you have. Now from here, you could go to the payments method section, which in this case, if you do have some credit balance on your TEMU account, it should appear in this section here. As you can see, I don't have any option on that right now because right now I don't have any credit balance on my TEMU account. But if you do have one, you should be able to use, or in this case, leverage or use the credit balance on your account by selecting that and just clicking on the submit order for you to confirm your order. Once you've done that, you should be good. How to buy TEMU gift card. So first things first is we need to open up TEMU here, and from here we want to go to the home page. So in the home page, you should be able to see the search bar at the very top. Let's go ahead and click on it, and you want to type in the following, which is going to be gift card. Now once you've done that, go ahead and click on search, and you should be able to see different gift card options for your account. Now in this case, this might differ for you depending on your current region. Now in this case, you go ahead and select the gift card that you want to buy. So in this case, let's go ahead and select one by clicking on the item itself. Now from here, you could go ahead and indicate the pieces that you want to buy here. But once you're sure here, just click on add to cart. And from here, you could go ahead and click on the go to cart button at the bottom right. Now in this case, you go ahead and select all the items that you want to include. So if you want to include a specific item, it should have a check next to it. Now in this case, once you've actually added all the items, so make sure to note here that there are going to be minimum order amount on your account here. So once you've selected them, you could go and click on checkout here. Just provide all the desired details as well as your payment method. But once you provide all the details and click on the submit order button, you should now be able to place your order, and you should now be good. How to play games on TEMU for free stuff. So TEMU is an application or a platform that actually offers you games that you could use or just start playing for you to earn free products or even get coupons or even earn. Now in this case, first thing that we need to do here is we need to update TEMU to the latest version for us to get the latest games. Now in this case, go ahead and open up Google Play Store here, search for TEMU and see if there are any updates. Now once you've updated it, go ahead and open up TEMU. Now from here, what we need to do next is we need to go to the U tab, which is located at the bottom section. Now from here, you should see an option that says earn free gifts and cash. Now, in this case, if you don't see that option, then most probably the current region for your account is not or does not support games. Now, in this case, incidentally, like for example, you've set your account to a different region. Like for example, you're in the Philippines or you're in the US. You want to change it to a different one. What you need to do is click on the gear icon or the settings icon at the top right, and from here, click on country and region, and from here, choose your region accordingly. Again, depending on your regions, there are going to be games that is going to be available and might not be available. Now for now, let's just go back, and from here we want to click on the earn free gifts and cash. Now, in this page, you'll be able to see different games. Like right now, for example, we have 5 free gifts, Christmas freebies, redeem cash, Fishland, and refer and earn, which is a referral program for TEMU. Now, in this case, go ahead and choose the game that you want to play. Like, for example, let's go and choose the Christmas freebies here. Now, from here, it's going to give us an instructions and even steps that you could do here to complete the game. Like, for example, we need to add a gift here. Let's go ahead and click on pick, and from here, hit on continue to add us into our products. And from here on, just start playing, and you should be good. How to win TEMU Farmland. So first things first is we have to ensure that you're part with the TEMU application itself. So we need to sign up. So if you haven't registered yet, head over to the TEMU website or mobile application, and during the registration process, provide accurate personal details and contact information. Remember, email and phone verifications are a must for completing your registration. Now, another thing that you should keep in mind is the completion of KYC verification or Know Your Customer verification. Now, once registered, take the next steps by completing the KYC verification and submit the necessary documents and details as requested on the TEMU platform. Now, this step is mandatory for participations in their games. Now that you're officially part of the TEMU community, make sure to be an active user and use your TEMU account for at least 3 months. Now, you need to engage in purchases and transactions to build up a lifetime spending of $500 or more. The more you spend, the higher your chances of winning. Now, you also need to keep out an eye for the TEMU special lucky draw coupons listed on its deal page. Now, depending on your budget and eligibility, purchase any lucky draw coupon, and remember, more spending increases your chances of winning. Now, each lucky draw